Hi everyone, my friend Sabrina and I have teamed up to create a really beautiful bridal shower that is anything but traditional and boring. This is our super fun Beverly Hills inspired bridal shower. Our colors are pink and green, so of course we dressed accordingly.
We're twinning.
Twinning! We've been having so much fun putting this whole party together. Lots of things you can do yourself. Sabrina's got really great DIYs. What are you doing today?
I am doing a table runner and I am doing a cute little favor.
Awesome. And I've got the flowers and the food covered. So I'm really excited to show you guys this table. Let's get started.
All right. You've probably seen this palm print fabric in home accessories, and I've even seen it in dinnerware lately. But I went to my local fabric store and it was super expensive there, so I found it on fabric.com for about half the price, and I was able to use a coupon code to even get it for less. I'm using just 1 yard of fabric for this really long table, and what's so great about it is that it's super forgiving, the project, because you're cutting the pattern out of the leaves, but if you feel like at one point it's a little too thin, just take individual leaves, cut them out, and then you can make the runner a lot wider.
The flowers for this party were actually really easy because we reached out to Petal Driven, which is a website that sends you wholesale flowers direct, which is incredible because it's not like getting a bouquet, we just get a bunch of flowers.
Right, and not everybody has a flower mart near them.
No, I mean, we could have like woken up at 3 a.m.,
Nope.
gone to the flower mart. No. Or if you're in like Canton, Ohio, like where I'm from, there is no flower mart.
Right.
So it's a really great option. They sent us amazing colors. Like, I'm so excited. And then I just took them all out and put them in buckets, and we're gonna get after it. Sound like a plan?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch.
All right. So for the table, I wanted to create 3 arrangements, pretty much the same size, not too tall, so that when people are sitting across from each other, they can see it. And so we just found a couple different things. Sabrina had this one. She had this one in square. I have another one that's circle. No big deal. Or is that price tag
Yeah.
working her last nerve?
I was
Take
gonna
it
let it
out.
go. No,
Take
it's
it
okay.
off.
All right, you
Take
keep,
it off.
You keep talking.
I had to give her a project. It's fine. So first things first, I have had floral arranging disasters where I just like end up in tears. Like, have you?
You're so dramatic.
No, what else do I have to cry about? It's
That's
fine.
true.
She's like, I have kids. I have like real problems. I'm
Yeah.
like, no, I have floral problems. But the thing that changed that was this little skinny floral tape. You can use washi tape, you can use Scotch tape, but I really like the skinny tape. And all you do is create a grid. That is all you need to do. We've just got a really simple grid. This is easy to do on a square, circle, whatever. I love the clear tape because then you just don't even have to think about it. Start adding the flowers using one color. I'm starting with the pink and then I'll move to the white. This just helps everything stay balanced. And then as you're adding the flowers, don't forget to turn the vase around so that you make sure and see it from all angles.
Pretty.
I mean,
That's good. Now you're painting the peacock.
now we're what?
You're painting the peacock.
What does that mean?
Like, the peacock's already beautiful and colorful. Don't add paint to it.
I love it. All right, so 1 arrangement down. We have 2 more to go. This is sort of like the grand one with all the colors, lots of fullness, and then I'm gonna make 2 other ones that are a little bit more chill.
Beautiful.
Sound like a plan?
Gorge.
All right.
I thought of a really cute idea. It's sort of an activity / favor everybody could take home. I'm sure you've seen these saying sun hats everywhere in boutiques and online, but they can cost hundreds of dollars. I made this one for less than $5 and it only took a few minutes. So what you need is to get some sun hats. I found these at the dollar store. They were $1.99. Some fabric paint, the 3D kind, and paint pens, oil-based, are great. Some ribbons for embellishments. I love this pom-pom ribbon. It's so fun. And a hot glue gun and scissors. That's it. So let's start with a fresh one. What you want to do is you could pencil it out if you're worried about it not being perfect, but I just freehand it. These pens are great. They're oil-based, so they'll not fade after time, but just be careful because they can get really messy. Guests can just enjoy their cocktail or beverage, talk to each other, and then they have this really fun little hat that they can take with them. I think it's such a cute little gift. Once you have your letters in with the paint pen, because of the texture of the hat, there are gonna be some spaces missing. So take your 3D paint and a thin paintbrush and just dab a little bit on those spaces and smooth it out. Once you hot glue the ribbon together, you're gonna have a seam showing. So take a second piece of ribbon and wrap it around the seam so it looks finished.
The food for this party is a really casual buffet, starting with this brightly colored crudité. And we also did a watermelon salad with green apples and these really fun chicken lettuce cups with pomegranate seeds. For dessert, orange marmalade mini muffins. All right, everyone, that is our party. What do you think? Please let us know in the comments section and give us thumbs up if you want to see Sabrina and I team up again. Do you think they're gonna have us back?
Oh, I hope so.
I do too. Hello. And please let me know if you guys have any fun plans for wedding season yourself.